How to enable Bitcoin Wallet in Cash App. In this video, I will show you how to enable Bitcoin Wallet in Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application as you can see here. You will land on the app's homepage where there are different options you can use to navigate to other areas of the app. After that, go to the bottom menu of the screen where there are various sections. From them, tap this one with the bank icon. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. You will land on the bank section of the app where there are shortcuts and sections that you can use to get access to different services the app provides. From them, come to this section here and tap this one named Bitcoin. Please wait for the page to start loading. After that, this page will appear where there are several options that you can use on Bitcoin. First, make sure you buy some Bitcoin. To do that, tap on this button here. After that, a menu will appear from the bottom of the screen where you are supposed to enter how much Bitcoin you want to buy. The good thing with Cash App is that you can buy Bitcoin for as low as $1. So enter the amount and tap on this button, and your request will be processed, after which you will be able to buy the Bitcoin. Finally, come to the Bitcoin homepage again, and after that, what you have to do is to scroll down to the bottom of the page. After that, you will see this section here named Wallet. Under the option, there is a section named Enable Withdrawals and Deposits. Make sure you tap on it just like I'm showing you here. After that, just follow the next steps, which are simple to follow. And just like that, you will have enabled your Bitcoin wallet. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to enable Bitcoin Wallet in Cash App.